In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Kernel Security Check Failure error on your Windows. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is we need to make a right click at the start button, and here we have to select File Explorer. Now once you have opened your File Explorer, click on this PC and then make a right click on your Windows C drive as to where your Windows operating system has been installed. Make a right click and then you have to select Properties. Now click on the Tools tab, and here you can find the error checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Click on the check button and click on Scan Drive. So this will scan for any errors on error checking for your Windows, or this will check for errors on your Windows C drive. So you just have to simply wait for the process to be done, and this will let you know about the errors and will also let you know the suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. So you just need to wait for this process to be done. Okay, so once that is done, for the next method, we need to make a right click at the start button, and here you have to select Device Manager. Now, once the device manager window is open, you need to locate the display adapters. So click on this arrow to expand. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now, what you can do is you need to update it by right clicking on it and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And also locate your network adapters. And here you have to look for your network adapter and then make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now, Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then we have to close everything from here, close all the remaining windows, and finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that's it. Your problem will be solved. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.